If you're seeing AutoCAD error code 97026, don't worry. This usually points to a 3D modeling operation problem, especially during Boolean commands like union, subtract, or intersect. In this video, I'm going to show you what causes this error and the exact steps you can use to fix it quickly and safely. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips, troubleshooting, and software guides. Let's start with what this error actually means. Error code 97026 is usually a modeling operation error. In simple terms, AutoCAD's Shape Manager engine runs into a face-to-face intersection failure. That means it cannot properly calculate how two 3D solids should combine or cut against each other. This is very common when two faces overlap perfectly, when the geometry is too complex, or when the model contains invalid solid data. The first and easiest fix is the micro-move method. If two solids are sitting exactly on top of each other or sharing an identical face, AutoCAD may not know how to process the Boolean operation. To fix this, select one of the objects and move it by a tiny amount, something like 0.0001 units. You do not need a big move, just enough to break the perfect overlap. After that, try the Boolean command again. In many cases, this tiny adjustment solves the problem immediately. If the error continues, the next step is to clean the body. Type SOLIDEDIT in the command line, then choose body, and then select clean. This helps remove redundant edges, tiny leftover vertices, and other geometry issues that can confuse the modeling engine. Once the body is cleaned, try your union or subtract operation again. This is especially useful if the object has been edited many times or imported from another source. Now, if the model still fails, you should check whether the solid is actually valid. Run SOLIDEDIT again, choose body, and then check. AutoCAD will inspect the solid and tell you whether it is a valid Shape Manager solid. If the software says the object is not valid, then the body is likely corrupted or too damaged for the Boolean command to process correctly. In that case, the best solution is often to rebuild that part of the model instead of forcing the operation. Another very effective fix is to simplify the geometry. Complex fillets, tiny chamfers, threads, and detailed curved surfaces can create too much geometric noise for the internal calculation tolerance. If possible, temporarily remove those details and perform the Boolean operation on the simpler blocky version first. Once the main solid has been unioned or cut successfully, you can reapply the fillets or other fine details afterward. This approach is often much more stable and saves a lot of frustration. If you are still getting error 97026, try scaling the model up. Sometimes AutoCAD struggles with extremely small tolerances and rounding issues. Select the entire model and scale it up by 10 times or even 100 times, depending on the unit system you're using. Then run the Boolean command again. After the operation is complete, scale the finished model back down to the original size. This trick can help the software bypass precision problems that trigger the error. Another great troubleshooting method is incremental joining. If you are trying to union several parts at once, don't do them all together. Instead, union two solids at a time. This helps you isolate the exact object causing the failure. If one pair works and another pair does not, you found the problematic solid. From there, you can clean it, simplify it, or rebuild it as needed. This is one of the best ways to diagnose a stubborn 97026 error. If you are working with imported geometry, the issue may be even more common because imported solids can contain hidden flaws, surface inconsistencies, or bad topology. In that case, cleaning the body, checking validity, and simplifying the shape become even more important. Sometimes, the imported object looks fine visually, but still contains internal geometry problems that only show up when you try to combine solids. So, to recap the best fixes for AutoCAD error code 97026. First, try the micro-move method to break overlapping faces. Second, clean the body with SOLIDEDIT. Third, check whether the solid is valid. Fourth, simplify complex details like fillets or chamfers. Fifth, scale the model up and back down to reduce rounding issues. And finally, if needed, perform the Boolean operation in smaller steps so you can isolate the bad object. The key idea is that this error is usually not random. It is almost always caused by geometry that is too precise, too complex, or mathematically impossible for the Boolean engine to process cleanly. Once you know that, the fix becomes much easier. Instead of guessing, you can work through each step logically until the model behaves properly. If this video helped you fix AutoCAD error 97026, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AutoCAD troubleshooting tutorials, workflow tips, and practical guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.